What up, y'all? Today we are at Armordillo HQ here in California testing out the new inflatable bed topper. You heard that right, inflatable. First thing you think about when you hear inflatable is, you know, those little mattresses that start getting all saggy and droopy and stuff, but check this out. Inside there are thousands of tiny threads holding it together. That's why it can handle higher air pressure and keeps it rigid. So compared to your traditional hard shell topper, this thing is crazy. Super lightweight at just 35 pounds compared to your typical 200 pounds. Imagine the weight savings on this bad boy, not to mention the MPGs you're saving with this thing. This is perfect for any outdoor enthusiast. You want to go ahead and keep your stuff safe and secure, keep it away from the elements. Super easy on and off method. So you can go ahead and take it off as your style desires. You know, you want a quick getaway, take it off whenever you need. It comes with a built-in pump already from Armordillo, already good to go. This thing looks super sick while it's on. Lightweight and still rigid. Screw all the other bed toppers. This thing is badass. Catch me on all the trails with this thing on. Let's go.